Hi, in this little SAP SuccessFactors demo, I want to show you a GenAI feature from the compensation module. I'm logged in as the line manager of Ralph Brunert. And Ralph's line manager wants to prepare for the compensation meeting with Ralph to discuss his current and future compensation. So obviously what she could do is go in Ralph's profile where I'm already in, go to the compensation section and then go through all the data with all the time slices and so on. However, that is a smarter way using the generative AI feature in SuccessFactors. You see that there is a way to generate insights about Ralph's compensation. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I click Generate Insights. So now we see the AI is pulling together a summary of Ralph's compensation. In the top, I actually want to go over the summary and look at the individual insights. It usually starts with a history, so it tells you for how long has Ralph been working here, when did he get into the current salary level. And here in particular, it points out that there was a significant pay reduction of more than 30% between 2024 and 2025. So that's certainly a talking point for the meeting. Then the AI summarizes the recent one-time payments, which are also significant. It talks about the job progression. It tells me where Ralph is within the salary band. And that's actually quite interesting because despite his significant pay reduction, he's actually quite well positioned within the band. And then as a very important context, it talks about the performance history. So we are talking about compensation insights, but it still looks into the performance management module and tells us that Ralph has received an outstanding for the last 3 years. And from that, it derives talking points. It picks up the obvious points about the big adjustments he had despite the consistent high performance. So that's certainly something that will come up in the meeting. And then it suggests to talk about the future compensation strategy, where there might be opportunities for a career progression to maybe get back to his former salary levels without breaking the salary bands, and also about the incentive structure. I also learn about the data sources. It's quite important which data did the AI use to come to these conclusions. I could always go back to the source. Obviously, I can also print this into a PDF or onto a piece of paper to take into the meeting. That's it. It's very neat little feature, but I can tell you that line managers really do love this because it just cuts the time to prepare for a compensation discussion with employees by probably 80% easily. Okay, then thanks for watching and see you soon.